Arthur has really become a barbecue master. He throws these secret dinners in the backyard of his parents' house.
How do you do your events now?
So I mainly do it back here. So I'll have like 15 people back here just sitting at the bar right here.
So it's like a secret restaurant in the back.
Yeah, it's kind of like a speakeasy in my yard.
I love that.
And he's really figured out this way to do it in a way that both honors the barbecue culture, but also his heritage about being Armenian American.
What is Armenian barbecue, Texas style, in Southern California? What does it taste like? What does it look like?
It's mainly the rubs and the techniques.
All right, so what do you want us to start cooking with?
Let me walk you through the barbecue sauce real quick. Right here, it's just the base. It's ketchup, balsamic vinegar, and champagne vinegar.
So you got a little bit of that LA/French in you, right? I see you.
Exactly. And then we're gonna add some more acid.
What's that, molasses?
This is pomegranate molasses.
Of course. And Armenian was the one who brought the pomegranate too. See?
To California.
I've done my...
Pomegranates, figs, we all brought that stuff here. And then this right here is, this comes from Nancy, Calabrian chili.
Nice.
So these come from Italy.
Nice, beautiful. You know what this reminds me of? The Armenian diaspora.
Yeah.
All these places.
Exactly, it's like a melting
And it goes
pot.
back, exactly. I need somebody to taste. You get VIP treatment. Yeah, you go here. We're gonna taste what Unc did. It's a little bit spicy, be careful. This is all Armenian barbecue sauce.
I'll give it all.
Yeah. this is a tough crowd. We like, right? Nice.
So I'll give you this end to try first.
Yeah,
That's where all the flavors at.
Where all the flavors are. Wow, this is really, really delicious. It's moist, you know, it's hard to get the meat that juicy, but you really succeeded in that. If you ever want a taster, I mean, a professional taster, I come through anytime.
Oh, I feel honored.